Hello friends, welcome to the visual card program, and today I am going to start one important topic of aptitude, that is data interpretation. And in data interpretation we are going to start the mixed graph. Okay, so most of the students find difficulty in mixed graph, so I am going to tell you how to approach a question of mixed graph. So first thing is that you have to first understand the data given. Okay, so the pie chart is given and a table is given. So these two things first we have to understand what's the information given. Okay, so you can see here the percentage of employees in various department is given. Okay, so percentage of employees and in the various department is given. The departments are logistic, printing, then administration, account, HR, marketing, IT and operations. Okay, and their percentages are given. Okay, so the and total number of employees is given as 2500. Okay, so this is the information of pie chart, and in the table the ratio of male or females in various departments are given. Okay, so in administration 7:5, in accounts 2:3. So these are the ratios of males and females given. Okay, and these are the total number of employees and their various percentages in different departments are given. Okay, so these two informations we are having, and now let's see the first question. The first question is, what is the ratio of male employees in administration to those of printing? Okay, so we have to find the ratio of male in administration to the ratio of males in printing. Okay, so this we have to find out. So the ratio question in data interpretation, as I have told, is the very easy questions. Okay, because the cancellation part is very good to solve. Okay, so males in administration department. So first we have to see the table. Okay, so this is administration department. So males part is 7 part and female part is 5 part. So 7 by 7 plus 5, that is 12. So 7 upon 12 into how much you will get. Now we have to see the administration department. See, that is 12%. So 7 by 12 into 12% of 2500. Okay, so these are the males in administration department. Similarly in printing department, see, printing is here. So the males are 2:1. So it will become 2 by 3 into printing is how much? 6%. So 6% of 2500. So these are the values, and now it's the time to cancel both the numerator and denominator. So 2500 percentage, because percentage is what? It's 100. So it will be cancelled. So 6 into 2. Okay. Now you can see here 6 into 2 is cancelled. Now 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and 3 and this 4. 3 into 4 is 12. So the only data remaining is 7:4. So this is the ratio. You don't need to solve the numerator and then denominator and then cancel. You can cancel what is you can cancel at that time only. So our answer will be coming simply 7:4. So this type of question, the ratios question, you can solve in no time. Let's move to our next question. So friends, let us see our next question, that is, what is the difference between the total number of employees in IT and that in operation department? So we have to find the difference between the number of employees in IT to that of the operation department. So first see what is the percentage of employees in both the department. So in IT we can see that is 14%. So 14% of 2500 will get number of employees in IT department. So IT department we are getting 14% of 2500. So in operation department you can see the 18% of, in operation department, 18% of 2500. So this is the number of employees. Okay, so in this step you have no need to solve here only. So now only you don't solve this question. Okay, so let's see what we have to find. We have to find the difference. Okay, so to find the difference, first let us subtract. So 80. So this you can see here, this quantity is bigger than this quantity. So 18% of 2500 minus 14% of 2500. Okay, so how much you will get? 14% minus 12, because these two quantities are same, so we can directly subtract. 18 minus 14 is 4, so 4% of 2500. So now let's see. So 4% we have to find out. So 1% is 25. So 1% is 25. So 4% will be how much? 25 into 4, that is 100. So in this way you can find the difference question very easily. So let's move on to our next question. So let's see our next question, that is how many female employees are there in the HR department. We have to find the female employees in the HR department. So you can see, first we have to see the table. So in HR department the ratio is 5:3. So in HR department the ratio is how much? 5:3. So this is male part and this is female part. So first see 3/8 is the male part. So 3, because we have to find the number of employees in the HR department. So number of female employees. So 3/5 plus that is 8 into. Now we have to see how many number of employees are there in HR department. So in HR department you can see 16% of employees are there. So 16% of 2500. So 8 into 2, that is 6% of 2500. Okay. So 1% is 25. Because 1% is 25, we have to find 6%. So 25 into 6. Okay. So how much you will get? 30 and 15, 150. So 150 employees are there in the 150 female employees are there in the HR department. So let's move to our next question. So friends, let's see the next question, that is what is the ratio of total number of males in HR and marketing to the total number of females in HR and marketing. Okay, so in this type of question, the ratios question, that you should take no time to solve the questions. Okay, so first what is you have to find? Males in HR plus marketing upon female in HR plus marketing. Okay, so first write this thing. Okay, so now let's see what is the males in HR plus marketing. So first see, let's males in HR. So in HR department here you can see the ratio is 5:3. So our we will get 5/5 plus 3, 8 into. So in HR how much percent? 16%. So 16% of 2500 plus. So in marketing, males in marketing you can see 7/15, because 7:8 is the ratio. So 7/15 into. So in marketing how much is the percentage? 15%. So 15% of 2500. Okay. So once we have written the denominator, and we have to write the same thing, but just the change is female. So no need of looking back to the diagram. We can write from here only. 8 minus 5, 3. 3/8 into 16% of 2500. Because this thing will be same. Because number of employees are same. Okay. Plus 8, 15 minus 7, 8. 8/15 into 15% of 2500. Okay, so now comes the cancellation part. Now you can see 2500 is common in all. Okay, so now we can cut this thing from the numerator and denominator. Okay, so now let's cancel this. 8 into 2, 8 into 2, and this 15 and this 15 gets cancelled. Okay, so how much we are getting? 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 7, so 10 plus 7, and in denominator 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8, how much are you getting? 17/14. So our ratio is 17:14. So use the smart way and you can get the answer very easily. So let's move on to our next question. So friends, let us see our last question, that is find what is the difference between the number of males and females in the logistic department. So we have to find the difference between the number of males and females in logistic departments. So number of males in logistic department is, so here is the logistic department, the ratio is 6:5. Okay, so the number of males will be how much? 6/6 plus 5, 11 into logistic department is how much percent? It is 11%. So 11% of 2500. So this is the number of males in logistic department. So number of females in logistic department will be how much? See, 5/11. 5/11 into 11% of 2500. And these two value we have to find a difference. Okay, so these two value we have to find the difference. So you can see here this part this part and this part is common. So by taking this common, how much you will get? 11% of 2500 into subtracting this with this, how much you will get? 6 by 11 minus 5 by 11. Okay, so our answer will become 11% of 2500 into 1 by 11. Okay, so 11 and 11 gets cancelled. So 1% of 2500. We have to find 1% of 2500. So the main logic is that don't solve until the last cancellation, up to the last cancellation. Try to cancel how much you can, and then in the last step you find the answer. Okay, so don't cancel don't just solve the question in between. Okay, so we have to find 1% 2500. So 1% will be how much? 25. So the answer will be how much? 25. Okay, so in this way you can make your calculations easy, and you can solve every question of data interpretation you can solve all the 5 questions in less than 2 minutes. So attempt data interpretation question and score good marks in your competitive exams. So thank you for watching this video. So friends, subscribe our YouTube channel to get the latest update of our videos and upcoming government jobs, and to get the complete video series of aptitude, reasoning, English, computer awareness and banking awareness. Visit our website visualcard.com. So thank you for watching this video.